Hi guys, my name is Himanshu Agrawal and in this video I'll tell you about how to get 1000 people into your Facebook group in less than 6 months, that to predictably and generate leads out of them. That means you would not be just creating a group and people would be adding in, but you would be creating a group which would be continuously sending you leads to your system. And you would not believe me right now, but watch the video till end and you would be surprised to know all the tricks and techniques I have used personally to grow my group to, as you can see, 1800 plus people in less than a year. And I'll just show you my graph and everything, so stick till the end. So, what is a Facebook group? A Facebook group is nothing but a feature given by Facebook where people can add on to a singular platform. So, Facebook is a big platform. On this big platform, there are different small platforms that are being created. So, take it like this: there's a building. That building is Facebook, and there are flats in that building. Those flats are groups, and people can come and go from their group. That means they can come in the flat and go from the flat. So, that is basically a Facebook group. Now, why you would need a Facebook group? First, you start ranking on Google through your Facebook group. Second, you can generate leads out of your Facebook group. Third, you can hold attention of people for a longer period of time. And fifth, if you are having a Facebook group, you can retain the person who is coming to the group for a longer period of time and nurture through them to basically take them into a sales process, or basically make them click a link or grow your YouTube channel or whatever you want, right? So let me show you one thing. Let's say I go on Google and I type Hub of Coaches and Consultants. The first link you will see is Hub of Coaches and Consultants and Trainers, which is my group. If I click on this, you can see that I am redirected to basically my group itself, right? So I'm ranking on Google just because of my group. Now, how to basically grow your this group? So there are some strategies. Let's get into them. Okay, so the first strategy is basically using tags and location. So what you need to do is, let's say you create your group. To create a Facebook group, you can YouTube how to create a Facebook group. It's a very simple process. Just keep one thing in mind. You need to keep the group private or public, depending on you. Private is for people who need to click on the group to basically join it. In public, random people can come and without joining they can post, which becomes a problem for you. What you need to do is just turn it to private group. You can definitely search on YouTube, you will get videos around it. I don't want to waste your time in this video because here I'm to give you proper strategies on how to grow your group, right? So what you need to do is go into settings. You'll see settings over here, click it. In settings you will see an option which is location and tags. So click on edit, select a location. Why you are doing that is because when people are searching for your group, Facebook will find that you have filled information, which makes this group a very valuable one, and it shows more to people and more people join. So that's, you select the location. I want to target India, that's why I'm putting India. Then you put tags. That means what is your group about. So there are many options over here. If you click on this pencil icon, you will see there are many options. So I've already selected mine. You can choose yours, right? And you set up your tags. The moment you do that, then there's a web address. So what you can do is you can change your web address. That means you can do facebook.com/groups.hub of coaches and consultants, right? The moment you do this, you get basically a link kind of thing which you can use again and again. So what you're doing is you're trying to index this keyword for yourself into Facebook, so that anyone who searches for the word coaches and consultants, my group at least shows to them, so that the chances of them joining my group increases very high. Then you can choose a group color. I generally like white, that's why I put white. Then there is anonymous posting. That means anyone can post anytime. What you need to do is off this, because this is not what you want to do. And then there are all these things who can join the group. You can set all the settings according to you. So this is all about setting up tags and basically your location. Now comes the second point, which is snowball effect. So what is a snowball effect? Let's see, there's a mountain, right? On the mountain there's a top a stone this big, right? On a big mountain there's a stone this big, and the mountain is very snowy. Let's say take that stone and I start to roll it. With time, that stone would cover snow around its circumference, and the snow would go bigger as soon as the ball starts rolling down. And with time, this ball would become so big that it can even vanish a whole building, right? It started with a stone, but it can now vanish a whole building because it took time and was consistently growing. The ball was growing itself, which resulted into a big, enormous, giant ball, a snowball, right? So that is how your Facebook group also grows. Let me show you my graph and you'll automatically understand what is happening. So let me go into growth and let me show you my graph for the last 60 days. Let's say, check this out. On May 9, I had 1600 members, and check this out. I've got 1788 members in a period of 60 days, right? And you can see it's a proper linear graph, and it's growing and growing and growing. It's growing very fast. The reason you will see a dip over here is because I stopped posting, right? I'll give you the whole strategy of posting. Don't worry about that. I stopped posting. That's why it went a little down, as well as we were rejecting a lot of people. But if you see over here, we are consistent with the growth, and this is growing up and up and up and up, right? And you can see there are 508 active members. That means all these people are watching my post again and again, and this is how the engagement rate is. So what happens is, you need to just make sure that you are throwing that stone off the mountain, and rest Facebook will take care of you. Since you have set up your tags and location and everything, what you need to do is, try to, when you create your group, try to post it everywhere, like on your Telegram channel, to your email list, to maybe your YouTube channel or your WhatsApp. Ask everyone to join the group. So what you're trying to show Facebook is, listen Facebook, I created my group right now, and in the next one day, in 24 hours, I have these many people joined in. So Facebook feels, okay, so this group maybe is very awesome, that's why people are joining in, and Facebook starts recommending that group to many people, and you will see random people request starts coming in. Basically requests of strangers start to come in, and you can basically then from there start getting a snowball effect and grow your Facebook group with time. Okay, so the next topic I want to cover is basically content posting. So how you should post content and what you should post. So here's the thing, you should post problem solving content. That's it. If it's solving the problem of your customer, whatever reason they chose to basically come into your group, if you're solving that problem, you'll have a good engagement rate. If your engagement rate is high, people are liking, watching and doing all these things, or clicking on the links that you're giving, Facebook feels that it's an engaged group, and it start recommending more people to that group, right? So let me show you over here. So let's say one of my clients, Soham Santani, he made 2.5 lakhs in just 15 days. So that is basically 115 post reach, 2 comments, and you can see a lot of likes. Then comes the next post, so 1 like but 79 post reach. Then again 116 post reach. One thing you need to keep in mind is, basically what you need to do is, you need to welcome every one of them so that they start engaging on your post. So we have already created 2 type of videos. One is this and one is this, which we use to welcome people. But you cannot, if you want, you can have these videos and images, or else you can just go to members. In members, once you go over there, you will see option like this, right? Welcome post, right? So you can click on this, and you can basically welcome all the people in one go. So let me show you how it's done. Let's say I click on this, and you'll see it automatically tags all the people. Now I can write all the stuff that I want over here by selecting this thing, and I can just click on post, and the post would be done. So let me show you just. So let's say I type anything, and basically you can see I've written my paragraph, which is a very wrong one, and I can just click on post, and it would be posted, and these all people would be welcomed. They'll get a notification in their notification bar, and they can basically see that they are being welcomed, so they start engaging on the post and the further things in the group, right? And this is how the content I post. Instagram links, I post normal videos, I post my podcast, I post about my YouTube, I post everything, and I even post direct videos and everything. So this is a lead generation post, right? I'll talk about lead generation in a second, right? All these things, right? So you can just keep on posting content. If you don't have content like that you won't post directly, just post out links so that people start engaging and your group grows faster. The next thing is lead collection. Like, how do you collect leads, right? The first way to collect leads is basically use the posts in your group, so that you can do get leads of people, right? The first thing is, this week me and my people are helping 30 people to get 20-25 leads per day with zero cost in advertisement. DM me eyes if you're interested. Now you'll see there are 35 comments on this post and 692 post reach. So these are people are interested, and basically we reached out to them and we convert clients from there, right? Secondly, you will see that there's a group discussion more here, right? I'll post the link of this group into description. You can definitely copy and paste this description and put out your links over here. So you'll see I'll asking them to join my Telegram group. I'm asking them to see my Instagram, then basically podcast, Facebook. Then I'm asking them to basically click on my training video and do all kind of stuff, right? So basically what happening is, I'm driving traffic from this Facebook group to every place. So even if someone just joins the group, he will see the description and would like to know more about stuff. So this is how it's done. The second thing what you can do is go over here into membership questions. There's an option, and you can set up questions. So the question I ask are 3 questions. The first is, are you a coach, consultant, or a trainer? So let's say someone clicks any of that. Then comes, we hate spammers, any self promotion is not allowed, do you agree? They say agree. And the third thing is, which is the best email, where we can send you top class content on growing a coaching, consulting, training business. And people literally leave their emails, and one of my team members take these emails, put them into a email marketing software, and we start emailing them content and basically about training video and all these things, so that they start coming into our sales process and in our funnel. And the same thing is what you can do, because once you get their email, you can basically retarget them for lifetime, right? So let me like literally show you how many leads we have generated just from the Facebook thing, this Facebook group, right? I'll go to my ConvertKit account. I use something known as ConvertKit. I'll also leave a link down below, so that you can basically check out ConvertKit. You can use it for free. If you use my link, I think you will get 500 subscribers. I'm not sure, it's affiliate link. Click on the link of the ConvertKit in the description, and you can basically log in to your account. So let me log into my account. So the moment I log into my account, you can see that we have total 985 leads generated. Now just imagine, you are getting 985 leads on autopilot, and today it's July 5, we generated one new lead, right? On this date we generated 12 new leads, and you can see we are generating leads and leads and leads after that, right? And we are sending emails and getting good open rates and click rates, right? Just imagine 985 leads on autopilot. How amazing that would be, right? So start using the strategies and get yourself picked out. Definitely put them into ConvertKit so that you don't lose those leads, or put them at least in Excel. To have a ConvertKit account, just click on the link in the description. Now let's come back to the point. So this is how you generate leads, through post and through these membership questions. One thing that would be going in your mind is how basically I can get the initial phase, that stone throwing phase. How can I go through it, and how can I have a lot more people joining in? So here are my recommendation. Take the link of this group. So this is the link of that group, which you can see. Also I showed previously in the video how to change this. So take this link, put this link into all your social media accounts. So let's say you have Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, WhatsApp, or whatever. Share this link everywhere so that people can start joining. Second, if you have an email list, share this link to your email list and ask them to join the group. If you have a Telegram channel, put this link over there. If you have friends, ask your friends to put this link into respective WhatsApp group and spread this link as much as possible in the first 7 days. And if more people are joining in, you'll see more growth on into your basically group, Facebook group, right? And this is how it works. Thank you guys for this video. This was all about the Facebook group and how to get 1,000 people in next 6 months. I believe you can see the results yourself, and you're excited about growing your Facebook group. If you like this kind of content, like the video, share the video with your friends, comment what was your favorite thing that you learned in this video, because there are 3 types of learning. First is listening, then is writing, then is teaching, right? So learning is the reading is the lowest form. The second is basically writing. So I would love if you would comment and let your views know to me, and if you want any specific video, any specific topic, you can definitely post that and I would love to post it. And the last thing that I want to say is, this channel is free and the content that I'm posting is free. I would like if you'd subscribe and get press the notification icon so that you're notified every time when I post these valuable contents and these valuable strategies. Thank you for watching. See you until next time.